This comes out. Keep tension. I rotate over. I press the palm out. I rotate back, pull and squeeze. And then the opposite arm. This comes out. I rotate over. I press out. I rotate and I pull back. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel. Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our 9 power exercise and development. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your continued support, and have a great day. So the 9 Chinese power development exercises come from 3 different Kung Fu families. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to utilize each one of them in a workout. Each one of them steps, and I will give you the reps at the end, as a complete program unto itself. So this one comes right out of the Iron Buddha set. It's called Snake Turns Over. So you're from here, arm comes out. I rotate this over as I create a Phoenix Eye. I push out, and then I yun to close and come back. Well, this whole thing is done under tension and under pressure. So as you're working through this, keep the pressure as tight as you can, and you can turn out when you pull back, or if you choose, after the palm strike, you can turn in. Either one is acceptable. If you're doing this program by itself, you start with 10 the first day on each arm. Every day for 90 days, you add 1. And then at the 100th day, what you do is you're going to take it out for 10 days. You're going to do 100 each day for 10 days, and that will complete the program. If you're starting this for the first time, you can start with just 10 reps. If you're going to do all 9 power building exercises, eventually with all 9, you want to work up to 36 reps. So let me just give you a different view. This comes out. Keep tension. I rotate over. I press the palm out. I rotate back, pull and squeeze. And then the opposite arm. This comes out. I rotate over. I press out. I rotate and I pull back. Again, start easy as you go through it. If you're going to do all 9 power develop exercises together in a workout, then do each one for 36 reps. If you choose to use this for a program unto itself, again, start with 10 reps, add 1 a day for 90 days, and the last 10 days you would do 100 a day, and that would complete this program. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.